talk to you about journaling, and journaling can be helpful to manage stress, anxiety, depression, trauma, and there's different types of journaling. In cases of traumatic disorders like post-traumatic stress disorder, acute distress disorder, when someone is a victim to trauma that causes a lot of anger, anxiety, irritability, just do this exercise 10 to 15 minutes a day. Write down your thoughts and feelings that you have over the course of the day about that traumatic incident. And the more likely that you are able to express your thoughts and your feelings down on paper, the more likely you'll be able to discover a good solution to it. And that's been supported by data. It's almost like as you focus on the pain, it sort of releases like the pus. And when you focus on that pain and release that emotional pain, that's when the healing will come. And so again, 10 to 15 minutes a day as a helpful exercise to do this. And you can write it out in like a written journal, or you could type it out like on a computer, anything where you get your feelings and thoughts down on a notepad or some sort of note-taking device. Other things that are helpful to journal is counting your blessings, having a gratitude journal and writing it out, things that you're grateful for each day or once a week. That can be an exercise that can help fight off symptoms of anxiety and depression. Another interesting technique for journaling is called the SOAP method. And so the SOAP method is used in medicine as a follow-up note when rounding on like patients or seeing patients in the office. For example, S is for subjective, O is for objective. So the subjective is in the patient's words, the O or objective is sort of what the doctor sees, whether it's the physical exam findings, the blood pressure, the heart rate, etc. Assessment is like assessing it all together, what the subjective and objective together, what it means based on all the data. And then P is plan. And so from a spiritual method, this can work for, you can journal when people like read the Bible or spiritual work, they can journal based on what they read. And so the subjective is basically what does the passage that is read or the verse or whatever it is, what does that mean to the reader? And then the objective part is like the historical context, who wrote it, when it was written, why was the book written, etc. And so A is for application. How can that reading apply to the person's life at that time? And then the P is prayer. So praying to God for that application to happen, praying for something in the future, praying for understanding of what it means or how to apply it. And so there's various ways to do it. And so hope you like this video about journaling. There's some psychological and spiritual methods which hopefully you find helpful.